Welcome to PromptHR Tutorials. Today we shall see the process how to confirm employees' probation period from HR admin side. In the company, direct managers confirm their subordinates' probation period by filling up a form and give some comments on their confirmation. Managers have rights to confirm them or extend their probation period. If, for some reasons, manager does not confirm team members' probation period or according to the company policy only HR has rights to confirm employees, then HR can mark them as confirmed by using this option. The steps to follow are fairly straightforward. Log into PromptHR. Switch to your admin role. Choose Triggers from your left-hand side menu. It is the first option. Click on Confirmation Trigger. Click on Confirmation Due Date. In the list view, click checkbox against the employee name whom you want to confirm. Now enter confirmation date and DDME format. And save.